How to link your bank account to Robinhood mobile application here on your Android device or iOS. For this, I'm going to show you simple steps in this video so that you can simply follow those steps one by one and do that thing on your Robinhood application. As you don't have an active bank account to add on the Robinhood application, I'm going to give you a thorough explanation how you can simply link it. For the application on the official website, to link a major bank in your iOS or Android app, simply click on Select Account section in the menu. Select Transfer, click on Linked Account, and then click on Add Account from there. Third step will be choose your bank from the list of the major banks here, or use the search bar to search for your bank. Enter your online banking username and the password. Choose which account you would like to link. If you cannot find your bank account, enter the name of your bank in the search bar, select checking account or savings account, then click on account information. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching it.